Tired of your Google Ads campaigns getting paused because of payment issues? Let's fix that right now. First things first, log into your Google Ads account once you're in. Look for the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a wrench. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select Billing and Payments. This is where you manage everything related to your Google Ads budget. You'll land on the billing summary page on the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Payment Methods. This will take you to where you can add or manage your payment options. On the Payment Methods page, you'll see a blue button that says Add Payment Method. Click on this button to start adding your credit card details. A form will pop up here. You'll need to enter your credit card information carefully. This includes your credit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, which is usually on the back of your card. Double-check everything for accuracy. Next, ensure the billing address associated with your credit card is accurately entered in the billing address section. This address should match the one on your credit card statement. Once you've filled out all the required information and verified that everything is correct, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Google will then verify your card, and once approved, your new credit card will appear as a payment method. You may need to set it as your primary payment method if you have other cards listed. And that's it. You've successfully added your credit card to your Google Ads account, ensuring your campaigns run smoothly. Now you can get back to focusing on what matters most: growing your business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.